In this video, I'm going to show you how to create vertical scrolling or rolling end credits text on CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut video editor. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. On the top left bar, click on Text. Drag the default text to the timeline. Now bring your text, which you want to roll on screen. Let's take this text as an example. Copy the text. Paste the text in the text box on the right side menu. Decrease the text size. Reposition the text to your liking. Now you need to create a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Scroll down on the top right menu. Click on the position keyframe. Change the value of X to 0. This ensures that your text will be in the middle of your screen. Now move your playhead near the end of the clip. Click on the position keyframe again. Now drag your text to the top of the screen. If I play the clip from the start, it's rolling like an end credits scene, but it's too fast and laggy. To resolve this, deselect the text by clicking anywhere on the screen and click on Modify on the right side menu. Change the frame rate to 60 FPS. This resolves the lagging issue. To resolve the speed issue, extend your text clip by dragging it at the edges. Move your keyframe according to your text clip. Now, if I play the clip from the start, it's running smoothly and slowly compared to before.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.